Hello everyone, welcome to another series of today's GK. Let's begin with previous day practice question. Question was Lachain Monastery is in Ladakh, Arunachal Pradesh, Himachal Pradesh or Sikkim. The correct answer is option D, Sikkim. Lachain Monastery in Sikkim was originally built in 1858 AD by the Nyingma sect of Tibetan Buddhism and with the help of its 8 monks who transformed a small hut constructed by Lama Karchen Dorji Drak. Hence, option D is correct. Lachain Monastery, also known as Nagodab Choling or the Launching Gompa, is seated at a picturesque location overlooking the village and housing the statue of Guru Padmasambhava. Now let's begin today's session. First question is, Vorukh is associated with which of the following regions? Russia, Ukraine, Amazon rainforest, West Asia or Central Asia? The correct answer is option D, Central Asia. Recently, violent clashes erupted between the forces of Tajikistan and Kyrgyzstan. Vorukh is a Jammuat in northern Tajikistan. It is an exclave of Tajik territory surrounded by Kyrgyzstan. Between Yoruk and the rest of Tajikistan sits the village of Aksai, a road and a river, which have often sparked increasing tensions over the years. Hence, option D is correct. Next question is, which of the following countries is going to host the 9th session of governing body of the International Treaty on Plant Genetic Resources for Food and Agriculture, that is ITP-GRFA? Italy, South Korea, Japan or India? The correct answer is option D, India. India will host the 9th session of the governing body of the ITP-GRFA from 19 to 24th September 2022 in New Delhi. Hence, option D is correct. ITP-GRFA is a legally binding comprehensive agreement adopted in November 2001 in Rome during the 31st session of the Food and Agriculture Organization of the United Nations, which entered into force on June 29, 2004. Currently, it has 149 contracting parties, including India. The treaty provides solutions to achieve food and nutritional security as well as climate-resilient agriculture. Countries are interdependent for PGRFA and consequently the global order is essential to facilitate access and benefit sharing. Next question is, Kritagya 3.0 is related to space program, tribal area development, malnutrition or hackathon on crop improvement. The correct answer is option D, hackathon on crop improvement. Indian Council of Agricultural Research or ICAR with its National Agricultural Higher Education Project or NAHEP and Crop Science Division is organizing Hackathon 3.0 Kritagya on promoting speed breeding for crop improvement. Hence, option D is correct. In these competitions, students, faculty and innovators or entrepreneurs from any university or technical institution across the country can apply and participate in the program as a group. The participating group shall consist of a maximum of 4 participants with not more than 1 faculty and or more than 1 innovator or entrepreneur. Participating students can collaborate with local startups and students from technology institutes and can win up to rupees 5 lakhs. Next question is, what is Sitagliptin? Tribal group, mountain range, island group or anti-diabetic medicine? The correct answer is option D, anti-diabetic medicine. Recently, India launched Sitagliptin, a new variant of medicines for diabetes. Sitagliptin is used to control blood sugar levels in patients with diabetes. It is used along with diet and exercise to improve blood sugar control in adults. It is an anti-diabetic medication. It works by increasing the release of insulin from the pancreas and decreasing the hormones that raise blood sugar levels. Hence, option D is correct. Next question is, which of the following ministries is associated with Swachhata Hi Seva campaign? Ministry of Rural Development, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Ministry of Women and Child Development or Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution? The correct answer is option B, Ministry of Jal Shakti. The Department of Drinking Water and Sanitation, Ministry of Jal Shakti, has started a fortnightly campaign, Swachhata Hi Seva, that is SHS, to accelerate the efforts towards complete sanitation in rural India. Hence, option B is correct. It is a massive community mobilization drive for cleaning up of legacy waste and activities for solid waste management. As part of this annual campaign, states are requested to organize activities with the objectives of ensuring community mobilization and participation, a Jan Andolan towards open defecation free or ODF plus villages, disseminating importance of a Sampurn Swachh village, reinforcing the concept of sanitation as everyone's business, and commemorating Swachh Bharat Divas, that is 2nd October at the village level. Next question is, Fit India movement was launched in 2018, 2019, 2020 or 2021. The correct answer is option B, 2019. Setting a new fitness benchmark for all Fit India mission will be associating with the Ministry of Law and Justice for a first of its kind inter-ministry bar and bench badminton championship. Fit India movement was launched on 29 August 2019 by the PM of India with a view to making fitness an integral part of our daily lives. The mission of the movement is to bring about behavioral changes and move toward a more physically active lifestyle. It has the following objectives: to promote fitness as easy, fun and free, to encourage indigenous sports, and to spread awareness on fitness. Hence, option B is correct. Next question is, recently researchers have discovered 8 new gecko species in the forest of India, Thailand, Brazil or Madagascar. The correct answer is option D, Madagascar. Researchers have discovered 8 new gecko species in the forest of Madagascar. The researchers apparently discovered the 8 new species while studying the brown Lygodactylus geckos of the subgenus Domerguela. The Lygodactylus madagascariensis species group constituting the subgenus Domerguela currently contains 5 valid species of inconspicuous dwarf geckos from Madagascar's humid forest. Hence, option D is correct. Next question is, which of the following best describes the M142 HIMARS? Exoplanet, asteroid, galaxy or rocket system? The correct answer is option D, rocket system. The M142 HIMARS, the high mobility artillery rocket systems, was supplied to Ukraine by the United States. A high mobility artillery rocket system or HIMAR is a high-tech, lightweight rocket launcher. Its range is about 80 km. The spent pod can be removed and a new one loaded by a small crew within minutes. The secret to the rocket's precision is an inertial navigation system, a collection of gyroscopes and accelerometers. Hence, option D is correct. Next question is, Solang festival is celebrated in Arunachal Pradesh, Kerala, Gujarat or Goa. The correct answer is option A, Arunachal Pradesh. Solang is the most popular festival of the Adis of Arunachal Pradesh, which is celebrated on September 1 every year. Though primarily an agro-based festival, it also reflects the socio-religious features of the people. Hence, option A is correct. There are 3 main parts in the celebration of this festival. They are, according to the Sopi Yakpi Abang, that is the lyrical rhapsody of Adi myth and belief of creation, Mithun or Aso is the first animal to appear in the world. Binyat, the second part of Solang, is the ritual offering made by women folk to the goddess of crops. And the last one is Ikop, also called Taktor, the ritual made for protection against harm by evil spirits by appeasing to Gumin Soin, the household guardian. Last question is, recently the term caracal was in news. It is fjord, wildflower, grassland or fellid species. The correct answer is option D, fellid species. The Asiatic caracal or caracal smithsdi is an elusive medium-sized and locally threatened fellid, that is cat species. Hence, option D is correct. The caracal is currently included in Schedule 1 of the Wildlife Protection Act 1972. The protected areas which provided high conservation potential for caracals included Kutch Wildlife Sanctuary in Gujarat, the tiger reserves of Ranthambore, Mukundra Hills and Sariska, etc. Today, caracal has been widely reported to be on the brink of extinction in India. The reasons are large-scale hunting, illegal trading and loss of natural habitats are considered significant threats to the species. Now it's time for the practice question. World Patient Safety Day 2022 is celebrated on 16 September, 17 September, 18 September or 19 September. Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for the next episode. Thanks for watching.